Hi guys, it's Ermash from We Love Laptops, and today I want to talk about SSD drives. SSD drives, they come in different sizes. 120 gigabytes, 240, 480, 500, 1 terabyte. There's a full array of different sizes available for SSD drives, okay? What is an SSD drive? Who makes SSD drives? There's manufacturers like Toshiba. They make SSD drives. Another Toshiba, different size of hard drive. This is a 480. Crucial hard drives. They're the ones we commonly use for our upgrades for our clients and customers, okay? The benefits of an SSD drive. A normal hard drive, they have moving parts. The disk will spin at a fast speed, and this will read the data off the hard drive, okay? This is a normal hard drive in most computers, which are non-SSD. An SSD drive is one of these, okay? Nice small box, enclosed. This is where the magic is. Let me pull this apart and show you what's inside. Inside there is one of these. Circuit board, PCB, all your data stored across these chips. This is why SSDs are 4 times quicker. So what we do, we can get your data from your computer and we can clone it or install a new hard drive, fresh operating system on there, boot your machine up. It will be 4 times, up to 4 times, maybe quicker even, the machine will be, and we're doing a lot of this right now. So give us a call, 0161 888 1232. We will help you out. We'll see what we can do for you. We could upgrade the memory as well on your machine if it's running a bit low. So, you want a faster machine? This is the number, 0161 888 1232. And hopefully, we'll be speaking to you soon. Bye.